Hello, and welcome to another install video with Boomba Racing. Today we'll be getting into the Ford Maverick and how to install the Boomba Racing throttle body spacer. To get started, make sure you have the following tools to complete the install. Begin by removing the front skid plate section. This will be 8 T30 bolts and 2 13mm bolts. Next, we'll remove the main skid plate. You only need to loosen the 2 bolts towards the rear. Remove the 4 bolts towards the front. Spread apart spring clips and disconnect the charge pipe from the intercooler. Unscrew hose clamp. Remove the charge pipe. Disconnect the electrical connector. Disconnect the vent line and move to the side. Loosen hose clamp and remove the throttle body adapter. Disconnect the throttle body harness. Remove the throttle body. Shorten the OEM throttle body screws to 1.325 inches long. Prepare the throttle body for install. Secure the throttle body spacer to the intake manifold with the shortened OEM screws. Secure the throttle body to the spacer with provided bolts. Reconnect the throttle body wire harness. Reinstall the throttle body adapter. Tighten throttle body adapter hose clamp. Reconnect the vent line. Reconnect the wire connector. Reinstall the charge pipe. Reinstall the main skid plate and the front skid plate section. And you're done. Thanks for joining us for another install video with Boomba Racing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for product announcements and everything new with Boomba.